Hey guys, it's Tony's Phone Collection. It's Anthony. We got another unboxing. It's a Motorola QA30. This was a company called Revol Wireless. I think they're out of business now, but it's called the Motorola Hint. Here's a user's guide. That's that in Spanish. We got the phone. Got the back. I did take the battery out and did charge it. Battery. And then the standard USB-C charger we see nowadays. Activate the phone. There's the battery. It is a 930 milliamp hour battery. We'll start it up. There's a home screen. It's a QWERTY keyboard. It's a slider phone. It's fully functional as well. Take a look at it. On the left side, we got the volume keys. On the top, we got a lock key, it looks like. Yeah. Also got a 3.5mm headphone jack. Right side, we got a dedicated key. On the bottom, we got a USB-C charger, or USB charger, my bad. A 2 megapixel camera. And they designed the back, it looks like. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Bye.